Okay, I'm still here at Inbound. Last night, so I had a question: how do you add values to the drop downs? So here I added a column called HubSpot drop down values. So I'll just pick anytime there's a drop down, I'll put some values in there. So here I'll just say I don't know, value 1, comma, value 2, comma, value 3. And you can do the same thing for all your values for multi-selects. So here we had a multi-select for contacts. You would just add your values in here. So this is the HubSpot drop-down value. I'm going to download this as a CSV like the last time, but now we need to remap. So in this case, what I'm going to do is I'm going to edit the automation, and I'm going to parse the CSV. I'm going to reopen this action here, and I'm going to click here, refresh. So in order to refresh, I'm going to have to re-upload the CSV the first time so it can map it. So here is our custom values, and here you'll notice that the new column is here. So I'm going to click that, click Start, Apply, and Save. So now we should have this new value that can be mapped. So let's just go find the drop down and the multi-selects, which are the only ones that use values. So here we have our first create contact property drop down select, and instead of none for the drop down values, I'm going to map right here the value. So it was called HubSpot drop down values, and I can actually copy this so I don't have to remap it or refine the mapping. Copy this and paste it in all of the drop down actions or multi-select. So this was the first drop down action, and here is the contact multi-select. Replace this, paste the mapping, and it's going to be the same mapping. It's just the same CSV for all of the drop downs and all the multi-select. So here's the drop down, paste, multi-select, paste, and one more drop down, company drop down, paste, and multi-select, paste. And that's it. So I'm going to click Save. This is going to be a new version. So added mapping to drop down and multi-select values. Click OK. And I'll just give it a new version here. I'm going to call it version 1.1. So now we should be able to run it. And I'm going to create a brand new property just so I can test it here. So we're going to create a property. We're going to call it my new property. My new name. And then my new property. Multi-select, good. Just so we have a new one to look at. Or here I'll call it my new as well. Property. So we should have value 1, 2, and 3 when we're done. So let's download this, comma select, comma separated, and let's run it. So here we're going to select the comma separated, click Start, Apply, Run. So when it's done, it'll give you a little property report here of all the properties that were created. So now we can go to HubSpot and then check for the new property that was created and my new name. Here it is, and now we can edit the property and we should have all of the options, value 1, 2, 3, and that's it. The version has been updated, so now it includes the new column. Enjoy.